Hello, Bobcats. Mrs. Bedell here, and I am so glad that you have joined me today. Hey, guys, I would like you to go on a bit of a hunt to start your library e-learning this week. You can see my screen here. I have the MyON screen open, and it's as simple as typing in myon.com in the URL bar at the top. Be sure that your school, Springs Ranch Elementary, is selected. You're going to sign into your MyON accounts today and check something for me, please. I really need your help with this. All right, so we've got Springs Ranch Elementary School for the school name. Let's go ahead and type in the lunch number. And everybody's password is ABC123. Press enter or click. All right, are you ready to see what you're looking for here? You remember a couple weeks ago we had an assignment called the Digital Citizenship from Mrs. Bedell assignment. And I know that a lot of students need more time for this, and that's okay. E-learning is a big change for all of us, and it's okay. So you guys have another week of time to work on this. Here's what I need you all to do though. Some of you may think that you have finished, but it might not be showing finished on my end. So please go into your MyON accounts today, open it up and look and see the status right here. Does it say done? If it doesn't, then you need to go back in and see why not. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the pencil and go into this student's assignment. And just a reminder, guys, you had two parts to this assignment, the reading portion for digital citizenship and the online safety writing portion. So to complete the reading portion, you needed to completely read two of the books listed here. If you went really fast, clicked really fast through the book, then it's not showing that you read it. And if you didn't finish the book, then you're not getting your green check mark. So if you need to, go back in and make sure that you have read correctly, carefully, two of the books on this list. You have more time for that this week if you need it. Also, there is a writing portion, the online safety writing portion. So if I click on that, there is a place that I can do my writing here, and this student has completed the writing, but if your writing is not complete, you'll click up here on Essay Writer, type in what you need to say, be sure to click Save, and then be sure to click this Turn in Writing button. Thank you so much for taking the time to double check, Bobcats. That really helps me out. Now, for those of you who have your two check marks, if you are looking for something else to do in library today, you have a couple of options. You can go back up and do some reading here in MyON News if you would like. We looked at this last week. You also, of course, have the option of just reading a book of your own at home. That is an option to you as well. And I'm sure that some of you have been enjoying your time with code.org. Code.org is another option. While that is taking some time to load, I am going to show you code.org. So we'll go to a new window and you're going to type in simply code.org, and then that will open up this page for us. To get into code.org, if you have signed in at Springs Ranch with me during your library time, then this should work this way. If you are a new student or you never got a chance to sign in at school and you would like to try this, please send me an email and I can help you. So we're going to go up to the sign in button at the top right-hand corner of the screen right there. And this is where you guys are going to click the red Continue with Google button. If you have signed in at school, this will work for you. Click on the red Continue with Google button. So you might already be logged into your Google account on the computer that you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and select this student right here. If not, your email will be your lunch number at d49.org, and the password that you use is, again, your Google password. So I'm going to click on this student, and this should open up the lesson portion of code.org. All right, it's asking for my password. Okay, so I am signed in. Now this screen here These are your lessons. And I do highly recommend, if you're going to spend time in code.org, that you do spend some time continuing with your lessons. The ones that are completely shaded in green means that you finished the lesson. The reason this student has this blank space right here is because he was working with a partner, and it was before we knew how to do the partner sign in. So you're just going to take a look at whatever your next lesson is. The student is in conditionals with the farmer on lesson 10, so we will click there to continue on our way. Please reach out, Bobcats, if you have any questions. My email is ebedell@d49.org. I hope you all are having a wonderful week. I'm hoping that I can get my internet connection a little faster this week. We have an appointment with our internet people. And yeah, I miss you all, and I hope that you are all doing well. This is lesson 4, conditionals with the farmer. Remember to read the directions at the top up here, and then work your way through the different problems. Have a great week. Again, reach out if you need me. Bye, guys.